Meron mga nagtatanong din kung ano yung mangyayari sa ASEAN Summit. Nagtanong kami sa lahat ng we have consulted with our counterparts in the other member states, in the 10 other member states. And the question that I asked them is very simple. Would you prefer, because everybody's busy with the oil crisis that's going on because of the war in the Middle East, would you like to postpone the ASEAN Summit? The consensus that we came to is that it is precisely now that we must coordinate our efforts. So that is what we are going to do. Ipapatuloy natin yung ASEAN Summit. Ngunit, the way that we describe it is that it is a bare bones ASEAN Summit. It's just, we will be talking about three main subjects. About the supply of petroleum and petroleum products, about the supply of food and the price of food, and migrant workers. Those will be the three subject matters that we will be taking up in the ASEAN Summit. It will be over a period of maybe a day and a half, imbes na yung mahaba, all day, what we had planned. Lahat ng plinano natin, sabi ko, baka hindi naman ngayon ang panahon na masyadong elaborate ang ating preparasyon. Ang kailangan talaga sa panahon na ito ay makapag-usap kami mga leader upang malaman natin kung what do we do in the future, what do we do for the rest of the year, what do we do, how can we help each other, and what is the ASEAN position regarding all of these shocks that are coming our way. So that is yun ang nagiging usapan sa ASEAN. Tuloy tayo sa May 7, May 8, but as I said, it will be a very bare bones summit which will focus very closely on those three subject matters: oil, food, and migrant workers.
Sir, sa halip na dalawang leader summit, isa na lang po ba ang magiging leader summit for this year?
Wala tayong, hindi natin pinag-uusapan muna yung sa November. So sa ngayon, tentatively, tuloy pa yung sa November dahil importante din yun because the other world leaders will be coming here. Nagaling sa Europe, yung ating sa China, yung ating sa Korea, sa Japan, kailangan talagang pag-usapan lahat ng mga pangyayaring ito. So it's going to be very important also. But before we do that, siguro by September, October, magtatanong na tayo kung ano yung gustong gagawin ng yung mga ibang leader. Kung makarating man sila, etc. So, pero right now, we are focused on the summit in May.
Sir, may nananawagan na kongresista na bawasan po ang budget ng ASEAN. From 20, gawin na lang daw po 10. Yung 12 billion, ibigay na lang daw po dun sa mas nangangailangan yung apektado ng krisis. Ano po masasabi niyo, sir?
Ginawa na namin. Tapos na yun. That's why we did this. That's exactly why we did it. One of the big reasons why we did this. Yeah.